For breaking news, go to itiskitimes.co.za.
Itiski TV powered by World Sports Betting, itiskitimes.co.za. Sixolisa kakhulu. Simane sijonga ngapha, there's a big game that is currently taking place in England. Liverpool, where they're playing against Manchester United, and I'm wearing ijersey Arsenal. Meaning that ikhona result esifuna yenzeke. There's also that referee, khona la referee, mkhumbulo la referee waphilisa igame nge-85 minutes kwi-AFCON. Uyadingeka kulomdlalo ukuthi awuphelise umdlalo ngokuyayixoxa Monday kwi-PGMOL yase-England ukuthi uyiphilisene nomdlalo nge-85 minutes. But ke bomsini eNigeria, Sundowns 5, Remo Stars 0. Umdlalo we-CAF Champions League second preliminary round but first leg. Obviously it's done and dusted. Don't think that team can come to SA and score 4 goals, because if they were to advance, they will need to beat Sundowns by 5-0. So Harry Maguire, get in, Red Devils, get in, Devils. Manchester United 2, Liverpool 1. Mamelodi Sundowns Nigeria. Umdlalo esetha ngawo namhlanje manje ukubulisa mfuthi kunjani?
Shane Grand Prime ithi ngenze kanje uthami ngibulisa abantu abawu5 bamagoli weSundowns TKJ ngibulise umkuleko
Msenkewu
uJunior uLindo Pep, the legend, just number 15, except mina sinawe Shane bona abawu5
by 5
Oh, okay. No, ngibulisa abantu abawu5.
Then
mina nawe la si2. Ngibulisa abantu abawu5.
Okay. Ungalithatha le Remo Stars bele lakho 5-1.
Ele Remo. Ngeke ngizibulise, ngizobulisa wena ngale Remo athi.
Bomsini besimbulisa u2 game.
Clinical
performance from Sundowns showing ukuthi they are used to playing as a stage, as a Champions League, and they've never encountered any problem. I don't remember the last time in Sundowns where they needed to play a second leg, where were prelims needing a result. But next week, it's one of those games where you can say, if it was allowed, you'll call it ETC and say, okay, boys, go and honor the fixture, but professionalism has to take place now. The same team, professional players have to play there.
Yeah, Shane. Nanoma bebangathi kuyakhonakala sibiza uTTC. We are the only team esikwazi ukushaya team kuma official games 24. So we don't have time to play la. Kumele sibithe le team. Noma ingeza kumele simikise first team. We don't have time, Shane. iCAF Champions League le sidlala kwesinye stage esiphezulu, Shane. So kumele ukuthi si respect team yase Nigeria ezozivakashela, Shane. So mina into engayisho, Shane, namhlanje ngifuna ukusho something. You know, go football kunalento ukuthi sometimes ngicina nga understand ukuthi lento isebenza kanjani. When the team lose, we blame the technical team, especially the coach, ukuthi why aluza le game ebaleka kangaka. But when the teams win, siya too much kulabadlali to badlale ngakhona. Uma baluza aswabheka ama mistake abawenza, even though sibona ukuthi nabo basifakile isandla as a team. We lose as a team, we win as a team. So I think badlale kahle kakhulu today. The technical team eSundowns, i-lineup yabo, I think ibanikeze something right uma ungabheka the way Sundowns iqale ngakhona. They started very well, Shane. Abadlale ngathi badlale ekhaya, zange badlale ngathi badlala away. Beba comfortable ebholeni kuma build up as usually. Break ama lines eSundowns kufika ku final third, and decision making into engithandayo. Shane, mina unga builder, Shane. Build to break ama lines from kuronza ku defense yakho, midfield up front. But if ufika ku final third awenzi lento kumele ukuthi swine isi game, kufana nokuthi siyadlala, Shane, because into ebalekile ukuthi siconvert ama chances esiwaswa create yabona. So for me ngiyacabanga iSundowns idlale kahle kakhulu, Shane. The team ayikho kule standard mhlawumbe iSundowns ekizwe uma ungabheka ngale quality mhlawumbe ebanayo. Khumbula ukuthi iSundowns bangama finalist wale CAF Champions League last season. So kusho kona, Shane, ukuthi if defense yeSundowns today sibona bathola le freedom.
Yebo, sorry ngokuqhawula. Why when iOrlando Pirates check out final usithi bridesmaids, but when iSundowns check out final usithi as a finalist? Why iSundowns winning igama elimnandi?
Ijikephi? Ngicela kubuza isuka ijikephi Orlando Pirates?
No, I'm saying last season. You remember last season? You said we were bridesmaids.
Yeah.
But this season, uyalipolisha ligama limnandi.
Speka ama levels udlala phi Shane. Champions League ngesinye stage esiphezulu.
Hayi qhubeka mhlobo wami. Qhubeka.
Qhubeka khoneni ngaba.
Qhubeka babuzini.
Shane uma ngithi ngiyayibheka Shane today ngiyadlala ngutshela ngakhona iSundowns idlala ngakhona bheka ama wing back weSundowns which is uKhuliso noMudiba. Beba ne freedom wena Shane. Bheka the way ba attack ngakhona kusho kona ukuthi leya team benganabungozi Shane. Uma ubona ama wing back weSundowns la khona akhuphuka wonke most of the time sinokubona mhlambe kukhuphuka uAubrey maybe uSailor a drop kube ne rest defense mhlambe ye3 yabantu namhlanje uTebza nje ustickile akana movement akana nix uTebza sometimes uyacheata kancane but uyogade le two center back unfortunately ukhoza uyewalimala speedy recovery ku boy angazi ukuthi injury yakhe ingakanani but ibonakala ngathi mhlambe enkelte wengibone ngakhona so badlala kahle kakhulu Shane bheka uCupido Shane Cupido uAubrey kuphinde ube nomdlalo ofana noKhuliso ngiyacabanga ukuthi the way bebadlala ngakhona uyabona ukuthi bebanganayo opponent mhlawumbe ngathi i-threats bawutholile ama chances nje lapho nalapho lamajita bawa mister la nathi sidefende khona bad but Shane bebazenzela abadlali beSundowns because ungabheka nale midfield yeSundowns uma ungabheka abo Nuno bebadlala kahle and what I like ngoNuno uhlakaniphe kakhulu uyakwazi ukuread igame Shane most of the time nginombona adlala ama long pass long ball always today team noma izama ukukhuphuka ivuli line behind the defense beyangamana walahle kangaka bekafuna ukudlala lawo ama short passes sometimes kumele uread igame njengomdlali not always kumele udlala into e1 bagcina bacreme ukuthi mawubamba ibhola udlala ama long ball bagcina manchanga ama offside trap so give credit no Shasha today uyambona up front beka hold ama ball bekuumuntu ukuthi always ufuna ukwa holder then bamjoin
and most importantly he scored yeah
exactly so ngiyacabanga ukuthi we played very well abo Matthews that's how Matthews ngazanga khona namhlanje uyabona beyangena adlala as a half 10 abuye anikeze uAubrey lela side ukuthi alisebenzise njengoba siyazi ukuthi most of the time unokuthasha lela line but today bekalithasha but abuya phakathi ukuthi uAubrey akafunction kulela side then akwazi ukuletha lama cutback sizojoina up front sinabo Shasha ngiyacabanga Sundowns played very well Shane the team uyibonile nawo ukuthi bathi ayinabungozi Shane abaziyo bathi ayinabungozi ngale ndlela but kumele wazi ukuthi if une quality or Shane ubuya kuyodlala iCAF Champions League final kumele ubonise mabakunikeza i-team encane ukuthi wena you're a big team une quality punish them Shane hayi ukuthi sesizothi mara the way beyidlala ngakhona le team beyingascora nayo no bonisa Shane ukuthi wena umdala kudala udlala la kule tournament punish them mabakunikeza i-chance ubonise ukuthi who are you Shane.
Yes, if FIFA break sometimes ezinye team yazibulala ezinye team yakwazi usimprove because remember before FIFA break you guys were playing a Carling knockout against Marumo Gallants where you were knocked out namhlanje you came in put in a 5-star performance scoring 5 goals so would you say mhlawumbe le FIFA break it's what Sundowns needed mhlawumbe they needed to shift the gear mhlawumbe ke if FIFA break came in and then Sundowns rectify some of the mistakes. Because even the performance, I was speaking to Junior earlier, he was talking about the performance, even when watching on the other side, so said, this is a Sundowns that I know. Some do think the FIFA break is what the coach card also needed, to rectify some small little details the Sundowns team.
Le performance namhlanje Shane mina inginikeza lento ukuthi kule mandate yakakhadoso yini into lapha phezulu kuqala iCAF Champions League that is why kumele ay all out nabadlali kumele bay all out la kule CAF Champions League because ukuluza kwakhe iCAF Champions League ila khona uzoba nama doubt ngomsebenzi wakhe angawuluza nomsebenzi because into iSundowns eyidingayo kakhulu I'm not saying ayidinga abo Carling ayidinga abo amanye ama trophies now but into enkulu for iSundowns manje eyidingayo iCAF Champions League so kwamele ukuthi uma baya ku CAF Champions League baye all out Shane basazohlangana namanye ama team la khona ngekadlale the way mhlawumbe sibona le team edlala Sundowns boRemo badlala ngakhona but into engakutshela yona ukuthi le performance FIFA break yes ucinisile yabanceda abanye but Sundowns ila kumele baye all out angisho siyasho sithi CAF Champions League iSundowns ifuna ukudlula wonke lama trophy so ababonise ukuthi bayifuna iCAF Champions League nayo coach akabonisa ukuthi uma ngabathola leyo team uyafuna ukudlala ifinal yini na this season yeCAF Champions League again.
Let me take you back to 2016 when you won the CAF Champions League. Do you remember how many trophies you won that season?
Angisakhumbuli Shane yes but ngikhumbula ukuthi bengiceda kushawa iVets 3-0 eMbombela ku M10 8.
Who won the league that season?
It's Mamelodi Sundowns.
When?
Sikhuluma nge 2015-2016 season.
When you won the Champions League, 2016. It was which season when Events won the Champions League?
2017.
2016-17.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Winning league 2016-2017.
17
That
season.
Sundowns won 2015-2016.
2015-16.
Yeah.
So Sundowns in Glanyaka, that's when they won the treble. Was it the year when they won the treble? Because with Cup Zabo, they counted the league. They also counted the Champions League, or they didn't count the league.
No, counter yonke into shame. I'm sorry,
No. Like no. I'm asking you, when they won the Champions League,
Yeah.
quick Cup Zabas Bala end of the season, they also counted the league.
Yeah. There were 3, but counting the league. Sundowns beat the winning league, I'm sure.
They won the league. They won the Champions League. There was
Yeah.
also another cup they won.
Yeah,
Was it not the
just
Telkom?
that angisakhumbuli kahle. It's 20. Angisakhumbuli ukuthi iphi trophy khona lapho.
Yeah, I think there was
But,
also another trophy that they won when they
Yeah.
won. Yeah. So this season, there's league also. There's the Champions League also. Are
when you
looking,
say there's league also, what do you mean, Shane?
are you looking to rectify what you did in 2016?
Rectify i-league defendwa i-Sundowns. Angisho ingabo champion. So i-Sundowns izodefend i-league.
But what I know is that you sacrifice something
Yeah.
when you won the Champions League.
So you mean uma ngabe ngisacrifice
No.
Yeah, ngiya-understand that
I'm
shit.
saying
Uma ngabe ngisacrifice
no,
ukuthi
but
ngisacrificela
the league.
i-Durban City.
Wait for
Okay,
me.
ngisacrificela i-Durban City.
Wait for me. I'm saying when you won the Champions League in
Yeah,
2016,
yeah.
there was something that you sacrificed.
I already sacrificed
Mamela.
Already sacrificed
Mamela. And I always tell my other Sundowns friends and family, Guti, if you want this CAF Champions League,
Yeah.
kumele sacrifice something.
Which is culling.
And Bob's in even
Which is coming.
Mamela, even ku World Sports Betting, I was better World Sports Betting a R5 to win $1 million. Ne? That's what you must understand. So there was something big that you need to sacrifice in order to win a CAF Champions League. But it's up to you, my friend. It's all up to you. Mna bendukhumbuza nje ukuthi go 2016 you sacrificed something big and you won something major. So if this
2016 I lost MTN 8. Go Vets 3-0 eMbombela. Ngahamba ngayewina i-CAF Champions League. So namanje ngiluze iKhalini. Kusho ukuthi kumele sihambe siyowina le CAF Champions League.
uzafuna undribula. I've already given you ukuthi sacrifice something big and you will win something major. But congratulations, Sundowns won beating Remo Stars 5-1 namhlanje kwi-CAF Champions League second preliminary round. Khumbula Sundowns akhange mdlale ke u-first preliminary rounds. Budlalwa ke ngabancinci kunabo where the likes of abo Jwaneng, abo Nsingizini United, those are the teams who were playing who were playing preliminary rounds of first round. There was also another big team, a former CAF Champions League winner who played first preliminary round, which is Orlando Pirates. They also played there. But namhlanje they lost in Jersey. They lost 3-0. We are hoping ukuthi mhlawumbi they will make it to a group stages. And in the Sundowns benze lanto beyenze last season. Badlala group stages the CAF Champions League. But it remains to be seen ukuthi bazakwenza njani na next week. They're also Kaizer Chiefs. Remember, they are also playing next week Saturday. CAF Confederations Cup. They play 0-0. CAF Confederation Cup first leg at the RC Nab. So we are hoping we will have 3 teams or 4 teams rather. CAF Confederation Cup because remember there's also Stellenbosch, right?
I think so. And Shane, before we vala Brian,
Yeah.
ngicela ukusho something. We need ama-support Orlando Pirates in the second league. Labantu kumele ukuthi sithole early goal singaconcede against i-team esiyodlala nayo e-Orlando.
La Saint Lupopo.
So into ebalulekile ukuthi Pirates kumele ingaconcede ithole early goal and kumele i-support ibe khona for Orlando Pirates.
Hopefully.
If bekuya ngami bengizokudedela uyoba khona lapho e-Edinburgh. Unfortunately soba semsebenzini Shane.
So he's already uvala amazibuko now.
Kanjani?
Now uyava
Ulindo athi uzokutholela
manje nawe uvala amazibuko mfethu uvala amazibuko now. Okay, let's close it. Thank you so much for watching Itiski TV. Mamelodi Sundowns 5, Remo Stars 1. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Shapunjani bafowethu, igama lami uLindo Pep, the best analyst in the country. Please don't forget to subscribe to Itiski TV. Tanko.
This is Bongane Benedict Vilakazi, they call me so. Niyazi bafethu, Amakhosi for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe Itiski TV.